We are with Bodo Herkle at Marposs at the GIFA 2023 exhibitions. So they are having this leak testing machines which is there in the market for last 2 years, but there are a lot of advancements which is happening over the time. So we will talk to Bodo and find out how this product is helping the casting industry.
Marposs generally is here for the monitoring system, and Marposs is generally was the last couple of years only focused on a lot of manufacturing processes and tactile measurements, and now we are going and force it a lot more to go from the casting process up to, let's say, electrical tests on automotive industries and leakage testing systems. And in this case, we have let's say we are going for the automotive industry, and for example we have here let's say molded parts like 2 examples. So we have here a starter housing for an electrical motor of the latest generation, and we can also have a system which is combined to that product. Similar, let's say, heating machine is a machine which is working with a vacuum chamber, and so it has a very big accuracy. And in that case, so we are, let's say, very open to a lot of things, and so we built this trolley to combine technologies for, let's say, startups, and also for after-sales service parts and repair stations or backup stations to big machines. So the big machine is normally built only for one type or a couple of types or similar parts, and in that case, so we can just, so maybe in the processing, so you have some failures you cannot really or easily detect, and so you have to find a method and just to find out where you have, for example, the leak in case of, let's say, terminal effects or, let's say, or effects in the processing. And here we have a decentralized machine, let's say. So this is connected to air measuring system, like for example pressure decay or mass flow system, and inside we have a mass spectrometer to make some tests, let's say, in the easiest way with a sniffing method. So we sniff with a tracer gas, for example helium or hydrogen, and we fill and we make so let's say the big idea is to have this machine, to have a fixture beside, and you can connect this machine to different fixtures with different gauging plans and different ideas to do tests on the components. And well, we have a measuring computer inside. We have also a vacuum pump inside, so we can build up any processes related or mainly related to the leakage testing. And well, with the gauging plans, we can we have all quality features we know from which are required by the automotive industry.
Thank you very much, Bodo. Actually, if you see that Marposs is a very strong company in India.
Yes.
Great network. Luca heads the Marposs in India, and they offer a lot of solutions. So I think you have this leakage test. This particular latest model is also available for the Indian market.
Yes, I think so. So we have it on the global web page. So we have here a QR code. You can scan it, and well, you can find a related link to the product. And so for us, it's not a problem to sell it all over the world. So the Marposs is one family, and India is also every time welcome.
So we also welcome you to India so that you know the kind of solutions what we bring can help the Indian manufacturers. Thanks for your time, Bodo.
Yeah.
And one thing what I am trying to tell you is that, you know, when you come to Marposs, even, you know, you go to Alugast, you know, Marposs having this beautiful stall with a lot of colors. Marposs is so colorful.
Yes, so like all the products we have now in the field.
Yeah.
And so Marposs has so much changed in the last 10 years, let's say, and so for us it's very important because we don't have that from the classical point of view and of the classical engines which are built on fuel engines. So we had a lot of more parts to check in cases of geometry. now we have to change our company in that way that we have a lot of electrical tests, which we don't show here in the GIFA. So we show mainly in the control and also in the EMO, for example, for building electromotors. And we have the side which is more related, let's say, a little bit to the GIFA. So for let's say this tightness or air tightness and water tightness, what we need for the housings and all the components.
Automotive components.
Yeah.
We will be there at EMO Hanover, and we will see that we catch you up there.